Good on. Hey. Good on me for not paying attention to the timer that was going down. Welcome to the stream. Hello. Hey, Ghosty, Scuzz, Zach Flare. Hello, hello. I'm just going to be doing some game development today. Oh, not game development, programming. If I go to my to Godot engine, I might have to find, yeah. For project list. I moved the project to a different place on my computer, so now I need to go and find it. Oh god, I don't even know where it is. Here. Oh boy, where did I put it? Oh, here we go. I found it. Right. Port. Right. There we go. I found it. Oh, it's loading. Okay. Yippee! Scuzz on a 7-stream watch streak. Hell yeah. Thank you so much. So I have been working on this the last couple of weeks. And it is my stream manager that currently does this. It just opens up and it has resizable UI, which is pretty cool. But I'd like to... Excuse me, I'd like to add some...
Ghosty7737 turned into an earthworm.
An earthworm, nice. Very nice. I'd like to add some more functionality, and I'm going to do that today, probably by adding some buttons, probably. I'm just going to go through at the moment to see what I can get rid of from my
Scuzz1204 turned into a sloth.
Nice, nice. I don't think I need this. I don't know what this is. I don't need that.
Zekflare turned into a television remote.
I think what I'd like to do before I do anything else is add a vertical version of this horizontal box. Television remote that really presses your buttons. Nice, nice. But what I can get rid of is this resize thing. Yeah. So I don't need any of this anymore. In fact, all of this I don't need. I don't need all of this anymore. That can go. Go. That can go.
Hasdog11 turned into a vase.
Tim, welcome to the stream. Okay. Right now, I'm just deleting all of the functionality that is no longer needed. Uh, oh wait, I do need the anchors. Yeah, okay, I need that. Okay. Okay. I just deleted a bunch of my own code that I didn't need. Which is fine. That's good. Not gonna lie, I would turn the code off being too scared I'd break something by deleting things. Good morning, Tim. That's understandable. I used to be like that as well when I was programming. These days, I've done so much of it that I know that if I break something, I'll just be able to fix it. Like, it doesn't feel daunting like that anymore. And why are these highlighted? Is it because they are not being used? It's probably because they're not being used. Where's this print happening? Something printing this number that I don't need anymore.
Droxy_Volpine turned into a toony version of himself.
Nice. Where the freaky deaky? That. I don't need that. Print. There it is. My base. Yeah, so this used to be like triple the size with my resizing code. But now, because we've got the automatic one, doesn't matter. So yeah, I'm gonna add a vertical box type and then I'll start working on buttons. I'm gonna have two type. I've got to have a button with two versions. I've got to have a toggle button, a got to have a normal button, because the toggle button will be like, if you press it, then, I mean, it doesn't show it on the stream, but like a menu will come up and this will stay pressed. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we have UI horizontal box here. What we do is we can go horizontal box, create a new folder called UI vertical box. Using user interface, and it will be called UI. One second, I know you all can't see anything. Container, split container, v split container, pick underscore vertical box. Get it to inherit from UI base. That has. Oh, that's right. I was gonna rename it to a split container and then have either one of them spawn. Might do that instead.
Scuzz 1204 turned into an anteater.
Oh, do those ants taste nice?
Alexander Wang Hansen. Alexander Wang Hansen is a Norwegian sailor. He has taken part in the Paralympic Games since 2000, and achieved his best finish of third and a bronze at the 2012 Summer Games in London, United Kingdom. Wang Hansen also had a fourth place at the Games in 2008 in Beijing, China, and a 5th place from the Games in 2016 in Rio de Janeiro.
If I can afford another stream sketch, I'll start thinking about what you might want to draw while I look out for a good time to redeem. Yeah, fair enough. I'm thinking I might actually turn off the stream sketch redeems on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Because I don't really want them to become the streams on those days. Interesting. What is happening there? Not resolve class UI constructor. Why not? Oh. That's fair, it makes sense. I was going to suggest it since I know some other art streamers do that. Yeah. Might do that. There we go. Do you have ghosty into the code itself? As long as it worked, I wouldn't mind doing that. Oh, I don't need that. Create new scene. Have it be a vertical split container and call it UI split container V. add container. There we go. I just got to make sure everything's the same. Cool. True. Oh, my bad. I'm already doing something with that. I'm stupid. I don't need this at all. Get bugged? Maybe it just barely worked, but I felt a lot of weird hidden bugs and mistakes. Yeah. Look, I don't think I'd work very well if I was code either. That's okay. Okay. I have this horizontal box. Yeah. All right. And then I do this, and then I do this. Go. So now I can have this. Thing. Okay, cool. Okay. Interesting. Go into split container. I just tick that on now. So that's what it should look like. That's on. Oh, that's funky. Oh, it's vertical with a lowercase b. Hey, there we go. I can go back to here. False. Yeah, looking good. All right, that's vertical split containers implemented. doing a lot of heavy lifting to keep up your motivation and sanity. Hey, Just Away Raccoon, welcome to the stream. Load bearing ghosting. I'd like to be the TF2 source code where there's a single coconut model that if removed breaks the whole game. I thought it was a watermelon. I can't remember now. But yeah, that's fun. Okay. Button time, I guess. How am I? I'm okay. Yeah. Okay. I didn't know if I was going to be in the mood to do programming today, but it seems like I am. So that's good. Let's have a look at the the Obsidian document's not being shared again. That's awesome. What do we have to do? So we've got... Okay, neither of those are actually done. Hover, I don't know why I did those. Hover context and right click context are not done. Maybe I'll add that before I work on a button. Have any UI up here? I do. There we go. What I want to do is add a hover context for the UI based yeah, that might be what I want. Oh, I don't know. Gonna worry about this right now. I want to add a button. UI underscore button. Okay. Okay, this is unironically better than how Unreal Engine does its buttons. Oh my god. Man, I did a lot of work on this. I don't need that. This is good. I can keep this. But I don't need this. Yeah, nice. Oh, okay. I can do that. Hey, Monolinter. I'm gonna do it with my mouse, though. This is the July sticker that I was working on. Hey! Try it with my mouse. Beautiful. Perfection. All done. Good MS Painting. You're poor now? Yes. I hope you screenshotted it. Ugh. Sorry. I am trying to get my head into the programming mindset today, but it's being very difficult. Mostly because I'm at a point where I need to start doing a new thing instead of working on a current thing. And I find it hard to start a new process. I've got this UI button. I need to make a new script that inherits from UI base. And it needs to be also called UI button. Okay. Extends UI base. Perfect. And this class name is UI button. Just come up to hang up. Very nice. If I go to like the split container, then I need a create function. Yes. And I also need a const. So if I go I do this, go, and we have our icon is going to be interesting. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that yet. Icon might end up being some kind of... Hey, Quakey. Yeah, I do need to do those things. Ugh. That's good. That is good. Thank you. Sorry if you hear a bump. I'm just trying to reorder my microphone to get it closer to my face. See, I'm thinking icon might have to be like a map that is like a string to like it has like an ID and then an image type. I might end up doing that for the icons. So then we'll have How's Lizord? I'm okay. I'm feeling pretty tired. I kind of just want to play video games right now. But I got work to do. I really want to play Call of Duty Black Ops 2. I just want to hang out and play video games. That's really what I want to do right now. Like, to be perfectly honest. Pot addiction is real? Yeah. So, that's the honest truth. I don't really want to be streaming right now, and that's not like I don't hate streaming. I'm just like I find it difficult to I'm finding it difficult to be in the mood right now to like uh talk and do work. After this stream, I'm going to go in and do some video editing, and I'm not really looking forward to doing that either. I don't want to program, and I don't want to do video editing. I kind of want to do art. As a streamer, I know the feeling. Lol. Also, yay 1 week. Hey, hell yeah. BO2 port was pretty good. It's fine. It's the bare minimum, which honestly is better than most game companies seem to be able to do these days. So, make it a short stream? Yeah, that's probably a good idea. That is probably a good idea. Then, like, actually relax until, like, midday when the stream is supposed to end. I might do that. BO1, they sort of messed up the port. Both of them are pretty weird. My Black Ops 2 keeps crashing, so there's that. Okay. So we've got the button spawning in. Then I need to click on this. We set text. We say new button text. They're just like a I'm gonna do the set command then. Set text to, and this needs to be underscore. And underscore, and I'll make this icon ID. Text equals text. Cool. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to make a folder full of icons, and they are all going to be filtered into a map that I can then reference from global settings. I think that's what I'm going to do. Yeah. Right now, if I go into UI base, not UI base, constructor manager, then I have an add button, adds a clickable button with text and an icon. Then I do func add button. I do the parent. Then I do anchors. Then I do then I draw a button dot create. Oh, this also needs a text option. Okay, why isn't this working? We also assign. Do you know what you're going to call this program? Can't remember if you mentioned it or not. No, I don't have a name for it yet. At the moment, its work in progress name is Kobold Stream Manager or Kobold Stream Assistant. I'm just kind of using those interchangeably. Jeff. But I don't really want to. I don't really know if I want to put the word kobold in its name because I don't know. There could be like weird legal issues with that. So I don't really know what I'm going to call it yet. But I don't want it to sound like some modern like. I don't want it to be called like Streamy. You know, those are great starts. Kobolds make great helpers. That's true, but I worry that using the word kobold would get me in trouble with like Wizards of the Coast or something. I don't know. Maybe using the word kobold is fine. I don't know. Not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I haven't really been thinking of the name very much though. I've just kind of been working on functionality right now. And it's going to be a very long time until it's even functional in the first place, so not too worried about that. How about Kobold with a C? Because like Co is in cooperation and the stream interface is like a kobold helping you behind the scenes. I like that. I like that. Kobold is from German folklore, so it's public domain. Oh, okay. Codebold. That's me. But you can't do any programming in my application. It'll just be a stream helper / sandbox. Code bold. Oh, I hope that's not me. Wow, you can have a shortcut. It's... Wow. Whoa. Damn. Okay. Right, so that we have a minimum size.
Let's get scratching.
Makes sense. Okay, I need another UI thing, and it probably needs to be something called like a UI container, maybe. It has like horizontal and vertical. Hey, dragon. Welcome to the stream. Or maybe like UI ordering container, or let's just create a new scene, have a look at what we've got. Low container. Yeah, that might be what I want. I think I just want a box container. Yeah. I'm gonna make a new folder called UI container. UI container is gonna go in there. I'm gonna have a new script called UI container that inherits from UI base. This is great. I love how easy this is. Here at Kynic LLC, you are the dragon, and we are your helpful, loyal little kobolds, ready to perform your every want and need. Within reason. Oh, you can inherit. That's cool. We want left to right, though. We can have end as well. Well, that's very nice. I ain't a kobold? Yeah, well, you are now, definitely.
Scuzz 1204 turned into a pair of gloves.
Nice. Go into constructor manager again. But I'm actually going to put container up. Box. It's going to get huge, by the way. This is going to have tons and tons and tons of different things you can add. Bot really wants you to be gloves. I mean, why not? I'm actually going to move this up here as well. Inside of the level, do var top bar container equals add container. No, top bar. I can just do that, right? Yeah. And then I can parent these to the container. See what happens. Yes, there we go. They're next to each other. Inflating that code big and round. Is that the third time the box is the bot has wanted you to be gloves? That's kind of wild. Yeah, there we go. File and view here. And I can do some fun things with this container. Because it lets me do alignment as well. If I go here, I can then top bar button container dot set alignment to 2. Oh, I'm accidentally calling the recur. Oh, no, that's... Ugh, why is the shoe burst black again? I even like pre-cooked it this time. This one isn't. Oh. Interesting. Hey, okay, I had to change the ink preset. Oh, the buttons are actually conforming to it too. So now if I reset that and then I turn that back on, will it fix it? Yeah, cool. Now I can go back to here and get rid of that. Go back to the left. And if, for example, I want top bar button container left, well, actually what I could do is I could do top bar container equals add container and then I could do top bar button container left, and then I could add this to the container, and then do this, and then also add top bar button container right, add container to top bar container, And then inside of this one, I can put, actually, let's just do that. Nope, that's not what I wanted. And bar button help equals add button top bar button container right. And then I can go set alignment to 2. There we go. So this should put help on the other side, right? Nope. uh, hmm. Band. Hey. Okay, cool. There we go. File and view on the left side and help on the right side. Exactly what it looks like in turn off that for a second. Yeah. Very nice. Don't mind that at all. And this is all, again, generated at runtime. It's very easy to just change things around with code. Don't have to mess with any of the visual stuff. I can just change all of this and it'll fix it. Do that. Because it's all code, I can clean it up real easy too and just put that all in there. Done. Nice relaxing coding adventure. Thank you. Should all just work. Yes, it does. And a bowl of roast beef. Main construction thread. I can just be like, construct the top bar, and then it'll just have all of this. Actually going to move these into here. Alright, I'm gonna stop for today. I know it's been a shorter stream than usual, but I need to, like, chill out. I hope you don't mind. I'm sorry about the slightly shorter stream, but I hope you'll have a lovely rest of your day. I'm just gonna go and chill for a little bit and then get to work on other stuff. But thank you for joining me here. I hope you enjoyed me adding some buttons. File view and help. Yeah. Thank you for being here. And I'll pat, thank you very much. I will see you tomorrow for some more art. Thanks for the stream anyway. Have a good rest of your day. Of course. Thank you. Scuzz, Tim Tam, Quakey, Ghosty, Werraccoon. I really appreciate you all being here. Have a good one. And Dragon, of course. Bye.